how to remove and install a hood ornament. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. The hood ornament only consists of a few components. You have the actual ornament itself, you have a steel wire, and the wire goes through a spring, and once the wire goes through, it hooks around either end like this. Once this is slid through the hood, the nut goes on to fasten it from the bottom. To remove the old emblem from the base, you just need a pair of pliers. You need to bend the hooks on the steel wire and straighten them out. Once you straighten them out, you'll be able to pull the wire through the spring and the hood ornament will come out. And installation is the reverse. You'll put the wire through the spring and compress it, and then bend the ends. I had to use the old mount from the original, and it still works with the newer emblem. As you can see, it has threads on the bottom of it, and then there's a spring with hooks, and this is the nut where you fasten it from the bottom. It's really straightforward. So that's the old, this is the new. I'm going to get it in. I didn't show the hood ornament removal, but it was pretty easy. You just need a pair of pliers, undo the nut, and it comes right out. Going to install the nut from the bottom, and that's that. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.